Good afternoon. This is Mike with the National Weather Service in Jackson with your updated weekly weather briefing this September 20th, 2018. As a brief overview, I'll talk about the continued warmer than normal temperatures that we're expecting today, but with less heat stress. A cold front will stall just northwest of our county warning area by Saturday, which will increase rain chances across our northwest, and I'll give a brief tropics update. For today, we still have high pressure surface and aloft dominating. However, it will continue to weaken this afternoon through tonight. This will gradually allow for the development of some isolated late afternoon to early evening showers and thunderstorms. Otherwise, it'll generally be hot. Our normal highs for this time of year are in the mid 80s. So you can see by the mid 90s expected to across much of the area today. It's quite a bit warmer than normal. The warmest temperatures are expected in the northwest, where the least amount of rain chance is expected. As we get into tonight, there will be a few isolated early evening showers and thunderstorms lingering in the southeast, but these will quickly dissipate. We're expecting mostly clear skies and the development of patchy fog toward the morning. The normal lows for this time of year run in the lower 60s, so we're mostly 8 to 10 degrees above normal at most locations is what we're expecting for tomorrow morning's low temperatures. For Friday through Friday night, we're expecting a cold front to gradually approach the area from the north. This will generally help increase rain chances, especially in the north. Otherwise, with weakened high pressure across the region, we're expecting additional isolated to scattered, mainly afternoon and evening showers and thunderstorms to develop on Friday. This graphic depicts the coverage of showers and thunderstorms that we're expecting, and the temperatures will be a little bit cooler, mostly in the lower 90s, but again, it's still well above normal for this time of year. As we get into the weekend, that cold front that'll be approaching on Friday into Saturday will stall just northwest of the area. High pressure, at least at the surface and a little bit aloft, will remain dominant across much of the south. We'll expect rain chances to be greatest across our northwest, with the least amount of rain chances across our southeast. This is the precipitation that we're expecting from today into Saturday, and you can see very little rainfall is expected across our southeast, with generally less than a quarter inch expected elsewhere. As we get into the Sunday-Monday time frame with that stalled cold front just to our northwest, the greatest rain amounts will be expected across our northwest and maybe up to an inch in portions of the delta, but across much of the area we're expecting less than a quarter inch. When it gets to the tropics this week, it's much quieter in the tropics than last week. We have a disturbance that's just to the southeast of the Windward Islands, and this disturbance shows a 20% chance of tropical cyclone development within the next 5 days. In the Central Gulf, there's another disturbance that's been identified, and that is showing a near 40% chance of development of tropical cyclone development within the next 5 days. That concludes this brief update of the weekly weather briefing. And as always, thanks for viewing the National Weather Service Jackson's multimedia weather briefings.